Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments. I read every one of my comments. And please share my video out with everyone. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, first of all, I want to tell you all, thank you so much for the 60,000 subscribers. I reached another milestone, and I couldn't do it without you. This is your channel as much as it is mine, and I know without you, I wouldn't have a channel. So I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Y'all, I already had my notes prepared for this video, and then all this good stuff started coming out. So I'm going to give you my notes that I had prepared, and then I'm going to give you the good news, okay? I hope you enjoy it. In all the stimulus meetings between Pelosi, Schumer, Meadows, and Mnuchin, do you know Mitch McConnell has not been in any of those meetings? Reporter asked Chuck Schumer, why hasn't McConnell been in these meetings? Schumer said, I don't know, why don't you ask him? The two party leaders, McConnell and Schumer, are still not getting along because of a policy disagreement all the way back in 2008. Can we act any more like little children? I can't wait to see them out of office and back in the daycare center where they belong. Schumer said it's hard to negotiate with someone that's not even in the room. I have to agree with him. He's right there. Mooch McConnell insists on piecemealing a bill. Nancy Pelosi says no piecemealing. Wouldn't it be nice if they could just sit down and sing Kumbaya and get a bill passed to help the people? That's what they're getting paid to do. Both sides are to blame for this mess. I wish the little babies would find their little sippy cup and just get along. I don't think that's going to happen. Yep. Everyone is blaming the other side. The Senate is blaming the House. The House is blaming the Senate. But in reality, nobody wants to compromise. Everybody wants to get their own way. I'm sorry, y'all. This is not Burger King. You can't have your way all the time. Let's look at compromise. You got the House. You got the Republicans. They come together for a meeting. Okay, if you got one side, we're going to just say the Republicans wants to compromise. I'm not saying that they want to compromise because so far they hadn't. But if this one side wants to compromise, this side is getting left out in the cold. That's not a meeting and that's not a compromise. A compromise is when they both can come together and settle their differences. So far, we hadn't got that. Donald Trump said that he may not have to sign an executive order because progress is being made. I'm not sure if he could sign a executive order for that anyway, but at least he acknowledged that they are trying. Okay, the good news, what we've all been waiting for, and it's a total 360 of what we've been hearing for the past 2.5 months. Why couldn't they just do this stuff back then? We wouldn't be talking about it right now. All I can say is they're a bunch of babies. Okay, Steve Mnuchin said after the meeting yesterday that they tried to reach a timeline for the stimulus package. They tried to reach a timeline? Come on now. You either reach a timeline or you don't. I mean, that's not hard. I guess it is when you got school-aged children at the helm. Mnuchin also said that if a deal is passed by the 7th, he can get 50 million checks out by the 14th. Then we should see those checks by the 21st. That's yet to be seen. It's not passed yet. They're talking about when it gets passed. So if anybody tells you it's been passed, they're lying. It's clickbait. Don't buy into it. Believe it when it happens. Now this is the part that really going to make you flip. Mitch McConnell is going completely backwards on what he's been saying for 2.5 months. He has been saying all along for unemployment, he will not give people more than what they was making when they was working. He's having a change of heart, or he's just knowing that he's going to lose the election and he wants your vote. I kind of think that's probably it. He's going to still lose the election anyway, no matter what he does. McConnell said that he may be willing to do the $600 unemployment boost if they can reach a compromise on other things. He also said the American people needs help. Well, hello, we've been telling him that for how long? And now he understands it? Come on, Mooch. Get with the program, son. Y'all, we need to turn these children out on the playground and get some adults in the office. And I believe we're ready to do that in November. Y'all, voting this time is the most important vote of your life. Please don't miss this opportunity to change America for the better. We need a clean sweep in Washington, and that means every last one of them. If they're in office, they need to be voted out. We need a clean sweep. Y'all, I love you all, and again, I want to thank you all for the 60,000 subscribers. I can't wait to get to 100,000, and I will get to it. And I will put my plaque right over there where that book cover is. And once we get to the to the 100,000, I'm going to have a $1,000 giveaway. One person will get $1,000. Either to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal, I'll send you a personal check. But we got to get there first. Y'all, I love you all. Until the next video, I might make another one today. It all depends on what happens today. But if not, I will have one tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up, your thumbs down. Well, don't leave me a thumbs down. I like the thumbs up. But leave your comments. And just know, I do love you all. Ciao.